Dr. David Weiss, and I would like to show you a fantastic result we had with the Adipose Injections. This lady had terrible pain to the front of her feet due to loss of the plantar fat pad, and you can see the bones right here. And unfortunately what happens is a giant callus forms, which is extremely painful and really hard for her to walk. So we were able to inject adipose tissue into this area to give it more cushioning, and the calluses have practically almost vanished. But more importantly, her pain is diminished significantly. And if we look at the other foot, we did those injections too. You cannot see hardly any of the calluses that were there. And more importantly, here's the fat tissue that is now in there, and it should stick around there for about a year and a half. The goal here is to keep people out of the operating room and to try to prevent sores on the foot and keep people walking. Thank you.